1 amp?
Yes.
Pushing all of that?
Yep.
Wow. It's brutal.
I think I put it down to like 18. I can put it all the way up to like almost 65.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Just putting the cone area and the good enclosure efficiency together, that's excellent. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. I'm recording. So, what's your name, man? What's in here?
Jeremy, it's 8-score VXF 12s D2s on a Crescendo 6K at half on.
Nice. 1 amp?
Yes.
Pushing all of that?
Yep.
Wow.
So,
what made you mount 2 regular?
Because of the port.
Okay. Looks really good.
Appreciate it.
Nice. What's your electrical light? Your lithium?
270 Brand X and a 90 amp hour C-Max.
Okay. And then it's a 6th order. Do you know your tunings on it?
It's a 6th order, and it's 226 in the rear and 52 in front.
Nice. It's low, I bet.
Yeah.
All right.
Put it down to like 18. I can put it all the way up to like almost 65.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Just putting the cone area and the good enclosure efficiency together, that's excellent. Let me go look at the back. Powerful amp. Can I see under the hood too? Yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Jeremy system. Really impressive to see him get this loud that you're going to see with a 2-song demo on 812s and a 6,000 watt efficient amplifier. So the subwoofers in the front are mounted regular, very unique style. Don't have to say anything else on that. Just a lot of wiring, reverse polarity for that. And in the back, this is a 6th order enclosure, so that low end response during that second song you're going to see is helping that low end frequency. So he did a really good job with the box design and well braced. So anytime you add braces to a box, I always know it means business, making sure that everything isn't going to be flexing as you're playing. So anything helps. And powerful 6,000 watt amp. I didn't find out what his amp was wired to. It would be nice to know. I'm just going to guess it's probably around the 0.5 to 0.8 ohm mark with this powerful lithium bank. We're working with 8 12-inch subs on 6,000 watts total in a 6th order enclosure. We're getting a demo on now. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
you. Crush you.
pretty good, man. Wow, I appreciate that. I'll give you another. Okay. This is a little bit higher.
Okay.
But the high notes in this one is pretty strong.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
What's high note frequency, Wayne?
I think it's like 53.
Okay.
All you calibrated, you the mambo like a crazy. Fuck you. Crush you. Speak without no auto-tune.
That's pretty good, man. Congrats. That's excellent, man. And really good cone area on the power. It's brutal.
I think I put down to like 18. I can put all the way up to like almost 65.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Just putting the cone area and the good enclosure and efficiency together, that's excellent. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
And I like how you had the door open for that high peak and then you closed it to load right. That was good. I appreciate it, man.
Yes,
nice
sir.
job. Your name is Jeremy?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, Jeremy.